This is Ms. Wiles, and this is part 2 of our problem on comparing the exponential depreciation in car A and car B. Now, with car A, well, first let me summarize why I'm doing this video. In part 1, I told you that you could get a good guess and ballpark the answer and guess 5%, and it's a better guess than 10 or 17. But 5 and 7 are very close together when we talk about a percent of depreciation or appreciation, whatever it is. It's a very small number value. So to be sure, what we could do is recall that we can use our calculator to create an exponential regression formula, or we can make the particular function for car B. What is car B's function? And we can use our calculator to do that. We've already got car A's function. And when we have the function, it's very easy to find the depreciation. We started off with 13.5. We have 0.83 to the n power. So 1 minus 0.83, or 17% depreciation, is what we have for car A. Now with car B, not so easy because we don't have the function here, but we do have values. So we can recall that we can make an exponential regression equation, and we do that by opening up our list, and we're going to edit that list using stat edit, and we'll put the n values in L1, the 0257, and the y values, the car's actual value, in Y2. Making sure that we got everything just right from our table. Now we use the commands. We come out of this. We've got our values in the list. The calculator will calculate a function for us based on those values. So we go stat, and we're going to calculate an exponential regression. We'll go down and find exponential regression, which is number 0, and do an exponential regression equation. And it tells us that y equals a times b to the x power. Now that's what this looks like, a times b to the x power. So with car B, our function is, we'll round this off to 17,000 times 0.89, which we need to round off to 0.90 to the n or x power. The n and the x is not important, but now we can see very clearly that we have a 17% drop in car A, and only a 10%, 1 minus 0.9, only a 10% drop in car B, for an absolutely correct answer of 7%. If you're watching the second video, you see why you'll do better if you can think of things to do to actually come up with the exact best answer. But again, part 1 was to show you that a good guess is better than no guess at all, or just a bad guess. And that is all I have to say about that.